Hello Python programmers, this is AK. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a voice-based sentiment analysis using Python. In this project, we are going to use two libraries in Python. The first one is the Vader sentiment package and the second one is the speech recognition library in Python. Both two are open source libraries. You can use these packages unlimited number of times. So before starting this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. These things will motivate me to produce more good content in Python programming. So let's start this video. Sentiment analysis or opinion mining is a natural language processing technique used to determine whether data is positive, negative or neutral. Here the data means your comments about any particular product or a review kind of thing. Okay. For example, take a company like Amazon that sells so many products to the people. And if you want to buy any product from Amazon website, the first thing you will search for the reviews about the product and they will give the impression about the product to the buyer. The companies like Amazon are using the sentiment analysis method to give the product rating. It will be very helpful for the buyers to understand more about the product. Nowadays the internet is free for everyone and you can type anything about particular product on e-commerce sites. The customers express their thoughts and feelings more openly than ever before. Sentiment analysis is becoming an essential tool to monitor and understand those opinions about the product. That allows brands to learn what makes the customer happy or frustrated, so that they can tune their products and services to meet their customer needs. So this is what the sentiment analysis is. Okay. Why sentiment analysis is very important for business? A company must release the customer demanding product. That is a sign of good companies. The customers are the first priority to the MNC companies. These companies are tracking the customers' data. So sentiment analysis is extremely important for that cause because it helps to quickly understand the overall opinions of their customers. If you understand your customers' needs, you can sell those products to your customers and it will be very helpful to grow your business. So this is the simple concept about the sentiment analysis. Okay, so let's start the code. Basically, sentiment analysis is a simple project in the field of machine learning, but this video is not a machine learning subject. Here I am using one Python library to do this job. Suppose if you want the machine learning implementations in sentiment analysis, comment down your thoughts. So I will make the sentiment analysis project by implementing the machine learning concepts in Python. Okay, first you need to install a Python package called Vader sentiment. So open your command prompt and just type pip install Vader sentiment. So this will help you to install the library. And you have to install the speech recognition library. So type pip install speech recognition. This will install this library. After installing the packages, you need to import the Vader sentiment library and speech recognition library on your IDE. And create a variable called recognizer and call the instance recognizer. This will help you to initiate the speech recognition library. Next, we want to initiate our microphone for recording our voices. For that purposes, you need to type with sr.microphone as a source. Here we are declaring the instance microphone as a source variable. And in this block of code, you have to clear your background noises. In this library, there is an option called adjust for ambient noises. This is an object and here you just pass the parameter as your source. Okay, so this object simply clears the background noises before starting to record your audio. After clearing the background noises, we have to record the voices. For that, create a variable called recorded audio and in this variable, you need to pass the recognizer.listen object and inside this pass your source. Okay, these two statements are very important when you are doing the speech recognition related task on your computer. Mainly these statements helps to increase the quality of your recording voices. Okay, we finished the recording process in our code. Now you need to create a try block. Here create a variable called text and call the recognize Google object. There are so many APIs are available in this library. The recognize Google is most used voice recognizer instance in this library. So I am using this one to recognize my voices and I created the except block. This will print any errors or exception in our code. Now we finished the speech recognition task. Let's write code for the sentiment analysis. Declare a variable called sentence and make sure this variable must be a list data type. If you are passing the standalone string, it will take each character and do the analysis with each character that is present on the string. Okay, it is not a useful one. So create a list in the sentence variable and pass string of text. So this is the correct form to get the output. And create a variable called analyzer and call the instance sentiment intensity analyzer. Next we have to traverse the list. And one more thing, if you want to perform the sentiment analysis on single sentence, you don't need to use the list and for loop. If you want to do the sentiment analysis for a group of sentences, then this will be the optimal way to analyze the sentence. Okay, so create a variable called v, and in this variable you need to call the analyzer dot polarity scores object. The polarity scores are very important to determine whether the sentence is positive, negative or neutral one. Okay, and in this object pass the sentence variable. So that's all about the code, and let's run this program. So when you run this program, you will get the output like positive, negative or neutral. Based on these category values, you can easily predict whether you are telling a positive command or negative command or neutral command. So that's all about this project. Okay, so if you want more project and more videos like this, then subscribe our channel, and it will be very helpful for me to produce more good content in Python programming. Okay, thanks for watching and thank you. See you on next video.